This is Kwang of SuConTV Unlimited with Star, the #1 self-development YouTube channel that provides knowledge and wisdom necessary to live in the world. In today's era, in fact, it's difficult to become rich just with the salary you received from the company. Therefore, if you don't have a unique asset management and finance technique, it's hard to make a living. How on earth can we live a rich life without worrying about money? So we prepared. In this video, we'll look at the best asset management tips for lifetime wealth. Everyone change your life. Please watch it till the end. We live in a capitalist society. The word capital literally means money. The word capital is just a little sophisticated expression of money. So we live in a world where money drives the world. And yet, in fact, we haven't learned how to manage and raise this important money in school. It's so important though. So how on earth can we manage it and grow our money or assets? First of all, assets can be broadly divided into two categories. First, it's safe asset. So this safe asset is an asset that has a low risk but is less risk managed or invested. Typical examples are installment savings and bonds. These days, it's almost zero interest rate era. So if you put money in installment savings, interest is rarely added. It's just a level where only the principal is continuously accumulated. Of course, it's safe because you keep your money in the bank. Second, it's a risk asset. So this risk asset means a high return asset, but a little risk managed or invested. Let's take stocks as an example. Stocks are priced daily. The price will be repriced according to the fluctuation from the previous stage price. So interest is accrued on interest. This is called the compounding effect. So stocks are representative asset of the compounding effect. Unlike simple interest, compounding interest increases exponentially at a moment. It's 10 years different, 20 years different, 30 years different. What would have happened if you had invested in Samsung Electronics, Amazon, Tesla, Tencent, and so on, earlier than others, and wait for a few decades easily? You will be very rich. But stocks are risky assets. That means there are risks. Therefore, you have to study steadily. So let's summarize. First of all, asset management is perfected by considering both safe and risk assets at the same time. In addition, you must adhere to the principle of never lose money and study economics and finance continuously. Based on this, you should make diversified investment by well allocating safe and risk assets. Then you can live a rich life without worrying about money. Even in my case, I make seed money through safe assets, such as saving account, and steadily increase the money through risk assets, such as stocks. Through this, I'm strengthening the pillars of life, creating results through the things I want to do, and finding the meaning of life. Everyone, how about starting to manage your asset by studying step by step from now on? Then you will be able to live a rich life without worrying about money for the rest of your life. In this video, we looked at the best asset management tips for lifetime wealth. If it was helpful, please subscribe, like, and notify. See you next time.